Yo, listen up, here's the show.
I almost died watching this video. I am so proud to be able to call myself a millennial. We are such a freaking special generations. We are literally the only ones who have gone through from this offline to online world to have gone through something so major and how much it has shifted the way how the whole world functions. All the generations before us, they all go through something, right? There's a lot of traumatic events and always something very specific that happens at that time. And I think it's very normal that the generations cannot fully understand each other. I feel like our generation has gotten a lot of crap. So like the generations before us, they would really laugh about what we do, that we are too soft and I don't know what not. I love that we are these parents right now. But I also love where else this translates, which is the workplace. These people are now managers. Not all of them yet. And there's a lot of still managers from the previous generations. But you have to say that right now, if you are in a workplace and your manager is a millennial, it's the freaking best manager. Because they get you, right? They get you. And especially if you are working in a corporate, there's finally something about being human that unfortunately the previous generation didn't fully get because for obvious reasons, the way how they grew up, right? No blame, no fault, no one's fault. But we are finally understanding in the workplace that it's not a factory, even though so many businesses and corporations still operate that way. But finally, it's getting a little bit more human. I can tell you that firsthand from being a recruiter and being a career coach and seeing the huge gaps between how certain managers operate with their team and how then the teams perform, what are the relationships there and everything, and how healthier the people then actually are when it comes to the mental health, even the physical health, how people are feeling so much more differently and how huge effects the person who is managing you has. So if you are this type of mama, I love her, I really want to be like her when I'm gonna have my own kids. If you are that person in your family, at your work, I am so fucking grateful for you and I'm rooting for you. Thank you so much for being who you are and